Hello my dear students, let's start today's maths period. Today we are going to solve the remaining examples from exercise 5E. Okay, yesterday we have seen the example number 11 and today we have to solve next questions. See what is next question. Divide and in each case check your answer using the relation dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We know this is the division algorithm, and using this formula, using this relation, we have to check whether our answer is correct or not. Okay, see here question number 12. What is that? The example is 6p cube plus 5p square plus 4 divided by 2p plus 1. Okay, let us first arrange them into column. 6p cube plus 5p square plus, now see here, according to the descending order of the exponent, here there is 3, here 2, then and the next term must be p raised to 1, that is only p, but it is missing. Okay, directly there is constant plus 4, so for that we need to keep the space and here write 4. Okay, so this care you have to take while solving such examples. If any term is missing in this sequence, you have to leave space for it. Understood? Now see, divide by 2p plus 1. Now 6p cube divide by 2p. What you will get? 6 to 3 are 6 and p cube divided by p square. So 3 2s are 6, p square into p cube and plus 3p square. Okay, subtract 60 cube 60 cube cut minus 60 cube, then plus 5p square minus 3p square remain 2p square. Okay, remain 2p square. Now what we have to do, we have to only divide 2p square. Okay, this term will come now, but here no any term is there, that's why directly divide 2p square. So 2p square divided by 2p, what remains? p square, p 2p square divided by 2p. What remains? 2 to cancel, p square minus p raised to 1, p. Okay, so p remains, that is p into 2p, 2p square, and p into 1 plus p. Understood? Now subtract. Here you can consider 0. Okay, so see here 2p is minus 2p square minus 2p square cut, here remain minus p. Now plus 4 bring down. Okay, now minus p divided by 2p, minus p divided by 2p. This p can cancel, remain in the numerator remain minus 1 upon 2. So minus 1 by 2. Okay, now minus 1 by 2 into 2p, what you will get? Minus 1 by 2 into 2p, obviously you will get minus p. Okay, see now, minus 1 by 2 into 2p, 2 to cancel, remain minus p. Okay, and minus 1 by 2 into 1, minus 1 by 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2 into 1, minus 1 by 2. Now subtract this. This will become plus, this will also become plus, minus p plus p cancel, 4 plus 1 by 2. What will you get? 4 plus 1 by 2, that is 8 plus 1 upon 2, that is 9 upon 2. 9 upon 2. This is your remainder. Now, what we have to do? We have to check. We have solved this. Now we have to check whether our answer is correct or wrong. For that, which algorithm we have to use? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, divisor into quotient plus remainder. So now see, if in this on this right side we are getting the divisor as an answer, sorry, dividend as an answer, that means our operation is correct, our process is correct. Okay, so what is divisor here? 2p plus 1 multiply by what is quotient we have got? 3p square plus p minus 1 by 2 plus what is remainder? 9 by 2. Okay, now let us multiply this first. First term 2p in bracket, second bracket into plus 1 in bracket into second bracket. Okay, and then in this add 9 by 2 which is remainder. Okay, now see, 2 3s are 6 p cube plus 2p square minus 2p into 1 by 2 to cancel, remain p, that is minus p. Okay, minus p, this over, then plus 1 multiplied by this bracket means it will remain as it is. When we multiply any number by 1, answer is that number itself, so this bracket will remain as it is. Okay, and plus 9 by 2. So let us first do operation in this. See, those who are like terms, let us do operation over them. 6p cube. Is there any other term? It will remain as it is. Okay. Then 2p square plus 3p square. What? 5p square. Correct? Minus p and plus p. They are opposite to each other. It will get cancelled. Okay. And remain here minus 1 by 2. In this, let us add 9 by 2. Now see, 6p cube plus 5p square minus 1 by 2 plus 9 by 2. Both are constant. So let us do operation over them. See, minus 1 by 2 plus 9 by 2. They are like fractions. So minus 1 plus 9. What is the answer? 8. Correct? 8 by 2. That is 2 under 2, 2 4 8. 4 plus 4. Okay, so is it our dividend? See our dividend 6p cube plus 5p square plus 4, right? Yes, that means what, your students, our division is correct. Okay, so by this formula, by this relation, you can check whether your answer is correct or not. Understood? Now pause this video and write this example in your notebook. Second example in this you have to try by yourself. Okay, actually it is in the 12, this is okay, 13th one example. This is 12th one example. 13th one example you have to try by yourself. Okay, in the same way. Okay, students, see now example number 14. Example number 14 is what should be added to 6x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 27x cube minus 7x square minus 27x minus 6. So in this polynomial, what should be added so that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by 2x square minus 3. Okay. Have you understood the question? This type of question we have solved in the case of whole numbers also. What should be added or subtracted? Here actually in the division, see. In the division, one example I am giving you. Suppose here there is 20 divided by 6. You know 20 is not divisible by 6. Okay. So 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. 20 minus 18 remain 2. Now the question is what should be subtracted from 20 so that the resulting number will be divisible by 6. Understood? What should be subtracted from 20? The question is what should be subtracted from 20 so that the resulting number is divisible by 6. Now you know 20 is not divisible by 6. Okay? The smaller number which is divisible by 6 is 18. Correct? So here that 18, what we need to subtract? We need to subtract the remainder from 20. So that we will get 18, and this 18, that is resulting number, will be divisible by 6. Here also same, but instead of subtraction they have given addition. What should be added? Actually, why they have given addition instead of subtraction, that will come to know when we will solve the example. Yes, in this division process, actually we have to subtract the remainder only to make it perfect of the divisible number. Okay, there is no addition, but why they have given addition, let us see. Now see, this number we have to make it divisible by this number. It is not divisible, right? So first we need to find remainder. Means we have to divide and we have to find remainder. And then what to do with that remainder, I will tell you. Now before dividing, see here, check whether they are or the exponents are in descending order. See here, 6x raised to 5, 4x raised to 3, x raised to 2, x raised to 1 and 0. Okay, so this is okay. Our dividend is right according to the descending order. Okay, now see this divisor, 2x square minus 3. Is it okay? Or something is missing there? Yes. Here, see here, the exponent is 2, x raised to 2. So according to the descending order, there must be x raised to 1, that is x. It is missing, right? So we should not forget that. While writing 2x square here, don't write directly 3, here write 0 minus 3. Okay? Means that space keep empty or write 0. Understood? Now see. First term 6x raised to 5 divided by 2x raised to 2. So 6 divided by 2, 3. X raised to 5 divided by x raised to 2, x raised to 3. 3x cubed. Now multiply. 3 2s are 6, x raised to 5 plus 0, 0s are 0, minus 9x cubed. Correct? Subtract. This will become minus plus 6x raised to 5 minus 6x raised to 5 curd. Here plus 4x x raised to 4 divided minus 0, it will remain as it is. Okay? Then minus 27x cube plus 9x cube. That is minus plus, there will be subtraction, so 27 minus 9, 18. Okay? So it will be minus 18x cube. Fine? Oh, now this next term bring down 7x square. Now first term divided by first term. 4x raised to 4 divided by 2x square. So 4 divided by 2 what? Plus 2. 2 2s are 4, right? And x4 divided by x2, x2, x square. Understood? You see now 2 2s are 4, x square into x square, x raised to 4. 2x square into 0, 0. And minus 3 into 2x square, minus 6x square. Okay? Subtract this. A plus, sorry. Okay, and here plus. Now see. 4x raised to 4 minus 4x raised to 4 called minus 18x cube plus 0 or minus 0 minus 18x cube. Okay? Minus 7x square plus 6x square remain 1x square. But it is minus x square because greater is 7, it has negative sign, so negative. Understood? Let's bring next term down, minus 27x. Okay? Now, minus 18x cube divided by 2x square. So it will be minus 18 divided by 2 minus 9. X cube minus x square, x raised to 1. Okay? So 9 2s are 18. Sorry, minus 9 2s are minus 18. X into x cube, x square, x into x square, x cube. Okay? Now 0. Minus minus plus 9 3s are 27 and x. Okay, subtract. So due to this subtraction sign, this will become plus, minus, minus. Now see, 18 minus x square minus 7, that is minus x square, and minus 27x minus 27x minus 54x. Okay, both are negative, so there will be addition and minus sign to the answer. Now minus 6 bring down. Understood till this? Now minus x square divided by 2x square. Minus x square divided by 2x square. Okay. So x square got here remain minus 1 by 2. So right here minus 1 by 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now multiply minus 1 by 2 into 2x square minus x square. Here 0. Here now see minus 3 into minus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Okay, so subtract this, this will become plus, sorry, this will become plus, minus x square plus x square cut, here minus 54x will come down, minus 6, see minus 6 minus 3 by 2. 3 to 6 to the 12, minus 12 minus 3 by 2, that is minus 15 by 2. Minus 15 by 2. Now see, dear students, this is the remainder. This is the remainder in this operation. Now generally, to make this number divisible by this, generally to make this dividend divisible by this, we subtract the remainder from this. So if see here 6x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 27x cube minus 7x square minus 27x plus minus 6. In this number, from this number we need to subtract this. So let us subtract this minus 54x minus 15 by 2. Okay, so now when we are going to subtract this, what happens here? Minus 27x cube minus 7x square minus 27x minus 6. So when we are going to subtract this, already it is negative number. So minus minus becomes plus 54x minus plus 15 by 2. So which number we have to add in this 54x plus 15 by 2? This number we have to add. Why to add? Because see, actually we have subtracted only, but when we are subtracting this, due to this minus sign inside the bracket, it becomes automatically plus. So if they have asked, if the question is like this, which number should be subtracted to make it divisible, then your answer will be minus 54x minus 15 by 2. But since they have asked which number should be added, 54x plus 15 by 2. Okay, so 54x plus 15 by 2 should be added in 6x raised to 5 plus 4x square, 4x raised to 4 minus 27x cube minus 7x square minus 27x minus 6 to make it divisible by 2x square minus 3. Understood? So to make this divisible by this number, we need to add 54x plus 15 by 2. Understood? Okay. So write this example in your notebook. So I hope you have understood these two examples. Next, MCQs are there, 15 and 16. The MCQ number 15, that is question number 15, is same like this. Example same like this. Just this and this two terms are positive. So you have to divide in this only and check what answer you are getting, what remainder you are getting. Okay. And 16th one example is also very easy. You have to divide and you have to find that which number should be subtracted to make the number divisible. So whatever remainder will you get, that number you have to subtract. Okay. So solve properly and get the proper option, correct option. Any doubt if you have, we will discuss during problem solving period. So thank you and have a good day.